Want to unlock a secret weapon that connects you directly to your neighborhood customers? Let's explore if Nextdoor is the missing piece in your local marketing puzzle. First, let's understand what Nextdoor is. It's a hyperlocal social networking platform, primarily used by residents to connect with their neighbors. Think of it as a digital town square. Why should businesses care? Because your target audience is already here, actively seeking recommendations and information about local services. They're discussing everything from plumbers to pizza places. Step 1. Claim or create your Nextdoor business page. This is your digital storefront on the platform. Make sure to completely fill out all details: business name, address, contact information, hours, and a compelling description of what you offer. Optimize your page with high-quality photos of your products or services. A visually appealing page will grab attention and make a great first impression. Encourage your existing customers to leave reviews. Positive reviews build trust and credibility. Next, leverage Nextdoor's targeted advertising. You can hyper-target your ads based on location, interests, and demographics within specific neighborhoods. This ensures your message reaches the most relevant audience. Create ads showcasing special offers, promotions, or new product announcements. Engage with the community. Respond to comments and questions promptly and professionally. Participate in local discussions relevant to your business. Don't just sell. Offer helpful advice and build relationships. Share valuable content, such as tips related to your industry or information about local events. Nextdoor isn't a magic bullet, but used strategically, it can be a powerful tool to enhance your local presence, drive customer traffic, and build lasting relationships within your neighborhood. So, is Nextdoor good for business? It absolutely can be.